Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you a new GUI application that I developed in Python using a new framework which is PySlide6. So this application allows you to download YouTube thumbnails from URL. If I launch this application, this will be the mini desktop app that you will see right here. It is built using PySlide6. PySlide6 is a very trendy kind of framework for building cross-platform desktop app. If you search on Google PySlide6, it's a Python framework. You will see that to build cross-platform GUI based application. So you can see it's a desktop app, and here you can basically real life app is this. So right click, copy link address, simply paste the link of the YouTube video, click display thumbnails, and it will now display the thumbnails right by side. You will also see the scroll bar or here also. So we can basically view the thumbnails in various qualities: the standard quality, the medium quality, high definition quality, standard quality, and the maximum quality. So if I want to download this thumbnail, I can just click this, and now it will basically download this thumbnail inside my root directory. So now you can see this is saved here inside my downloads directory. By default, all your thumbnails will be saved inside your downloads directory. You can even change this using inside the code itself. The link is given in the description, guys, for the full source code of this script that I showed you. You will see we are basically by having this queue application, vertical box layout, horizontal box layout, label, line edit, push button, scroll area, widget. So these are all PySlide6 widgets out there which we are importing and then basically building out this application. It contains this class, and you can see that. So the interface looks quite good, guys. You will see that basically you can take any video of your choice. Let's suppose you want to take this video, copy link address once again, and just change this to this one, click display thumbnails. So now you can see it changes, and it also show you live preview of the images as well. It makes it easy that your application is working. So now you can see that the thumbnail is installed. You can see the quality of the thumbnail, guys, how the quality looks amazing of the thumbnail which is downloaded. So this is basically the desktop app using PySlide6, guys, desktop framework of Python. The link is given in the description of the video, so you can get the script. So thank you very much for watching this video.